What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be working on my bike again. The last video I did the oil and the brake fluid and I think that's it. I'm not sure, maybe there's some more, but today I'm going to go ahead and flush out the coolant. Some of my buddies and I are going out riding on Saturday and it should be pretty warm, and I just want to make sure that the bike doesn't have any problem overheating or anything like that. I know it's not going to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it anyways. So when I left work today, I stopped by the bike shop and we got some engine ice. So I got 2 half-gallon things. I don't know how much it's gonna take. So my bike, I have a cage on, so I gotta take that apart to get the fairing off. The coolant reservoir is under there. Alright, so a little update on the bike. Draining it and kind of flushing the system took a little while. Flushed it like 4 times and the water started going clear. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in some of this engine ice. I don't know how much it's going to take, hopefully just one, but whatever. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and fill that up. Hey guys, so today I just got finished. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:30. I got to meet my buddies at 9 and we're gonna go ride, but I got the bike all put back together. Hopefully it's good. I'm just gonna grab some tools just in case, but anyways, right now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off real quick and grab some gas and then go meet my buddy.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.